Hi everyone, Caitlyn and I are here at the Butterfly Conservatory. We're going to go and explore how beautiful this place is. We wore very bright colors and we brushed our teeth extra just to make sure that we do not scare the butterflies away. They like things that smell good. So let's go. Wow. So beautiful. Beautiful. It's amazing that they can have this inside of somewhere. Oh wow. Look at that. Go and explore, honey. Or you can just follow me, it doesn't matter. I like those blue butterflies. There's so many different kinds. Oh, is it dead? I think it might just be resting.
It's twitching.
It's twitching. What's wrong, little butterfly? Oh, you're not still alive.
Yeah.
Hello, little butterfly. Aren't you beautiful?
Might get stepped on.
I think people are probably really careful when they come in here. Oh, look, did it fly away? Nope. Look, it's fine, Caitlyn.
Oh, nice.
It put its wings up. It was putting on a show for us, I think. This would be a lot of work taking care of this place.
Blessing they follow me, money they follow me, people they follow follow me. Money they follow me. People they follow me. In fact, everything follow me. Hallelujah. Oh, hallelujah. 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 Oh, hallelujah. Hallelujah. Make una hear, goodness and mercy go follow this year. Make una dance, goodness and mercy go follow this year. See, this year, blessings go follow you, and goodness go follow me. Oh. This year, blessings go follow you, and goodness go follow me. Oh. Blessings go flow like water, money go flow like water. This year 2020, we go climb the ladder. Blessings they follow me, money they follow me, people they follow me. In fact, everything follow me. Blessing they follow me, money they follow me, people they follow me, in fact, everything follow me. Hallelujah, oh hallelujah, 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 oh hallelujah, Olúwa fún mi lówó, Olúwa fún mi lọ́mọ. Show me the liar, go ṣeré fún mi. Olúwa fún mi lówó, Olúwa fún mi lọ́mọ. Go show me the liar, go ṣeré fún mi. Yeah. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Blessing they follow me, money they follow me, people they follow me. In fact, everything follow me. Hallelujah. 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 This year, you must buy your own. This year, you must get your own. This year, you must build your own.
My son used to breed those.
Oh, really, eh?
Yeah, it's really sad what the females go through. They wouldn't leave her alone.
Oh, yeah.
It's really sad. I'm like, okay, you guys want to die, I'm going to kill you. Yeah, it's pretty sad.
Yeah, they're always mating. Oh, yeah, right over there.
Yeah, poor things. Poor females can't get away fast enough.
So I'm collecting all of the babies. If I find any more.
And what are you collecting them for?
So these guys are always at our touch table, so they're always available for toddlers to interact with. So these are animals that are very sturdy, that they don't need a facilitator.
Okay.
So this is my education group that I take to work with my kindergartners.
Cool.
But because these guys are always mating, they're gonna, hi buddy, they're gonna be laying eggs, and the eggs are gonna turn into these guys. Now this one's kind of medium sized, but every once in a while we'll have a really, really tiny one that isn't ready to be handled by kids. Come here. Where are you hiding? I know you're in here.
There's always some in there.
Oh, there you go. This is a little bit too small for toddlers. So I keep them in this is our holding chamber or our daycare. And I keep them in here until they're old enough to, got an escapee.
To be played with.
Yeah.
Now they're tough little guys.
Oh yeah.
They'll survive.
Sure are. Yeah, no, we wouldn't put an
Oh, of course not.
They weren't able to.
Even though they're little bugs to us, they still are alive.
Oh yeah. There you go.
Very cool. There you go. Very cool. Caitlyn, you want to hold one and see what it feels like?
Oh, I already hold one before.
We've always held dogs.
Oh yeah.
All right, well, thank you. Look at them all, they're playing with each other. They're frolicking. Oh, I didn't even realize there was one right here.
I hear you, I don't see you. There you are.
I guess we didn't brush our teeth quite enough because they're not coming to see us. No, they're not. They used to. When I used to come here, they used to land on people all the time. Oh, there's some birds, Kate. Oh, I scared them. Oh wow, look at this, Caitlyn. Look at all the butterflies everywhere. Wow, this is a nice, look at this. That's beautiful. Caitlyn, look, there's turtles. See the turtles? Where'd the turtle go? There's the turtle. Butterflies really like the water.
Yeah.
Smile, Kate. Alright, you're not frozen. You can move. Just kidding.
I want to get a butterfly to land on me.
So do I. You know
That's
what?
why I'm not really moving that much.
They're probably smart not to trust humans, though.
Yeah,
Just saying. Absolutely beautiful here. It's almost like you're in a different world. This place is just beautiful. You got some good pictures, Caitlyn?
I couldn't take a picture because this thing was on.
Oh, you got a butterfly. Good job. I haven't seen anybody get a butterfly on them except you.
Oh, I'm so special.
Put them all.
Special.
Wow. See, there's nobody walking through there, so I think one might have landed on my back, but I couldn't tell. Good job, Caitlyn. You got one to land on you.
Yeah.
Because they're like, wow, this little girl's awfully beautiful. She's got a nice heart. I'm going to give her a try. Beautiful. Look at them all, Caitlyn. Turn around.
Yeah, so beautiful.
Very beautiful. They're just everywhere.
Yeah.
And there's no people, so it's even better. Cool. Look at all the stuff on it, Caitlyn. It's neat.
Oh, what? Oh, yeah.
They don't like me. I brushed my teeth and everything. I don't get it.
Well, not like.
I paid good money to land on my daughter. Just kidding. Just joking.
Why don't you land on me?
I must stink. None of them are landing on me.
Yeah, kill it with that.
Smile.
Smile now.
Smile now. It's very beautiful. Everybody you see, their faces are bright and their smiles are big. Such a peaceful place to spend the day.
Hey.
She is just lost in her own little world. What a sweetheart. She loves this.
I've seen you in the corner of my eye.
Yeah, right. It's funny, you don't like bugs, but you sure don't mind butterflies.
It depends on what kind of bug.
What if it was a room full of spiders?
Is it my whim or someone else's whim?
This room was full of spiders. Would we come here?
Still depends.
Is it?
Are they poisonous?
It depends on what kind of spider. I would not come in here if there were spiders. I wouldn't care
Mom,
what kind
you
they
just
were.
saw a spider, not
Yeah, but
that.
one, I mean, like, there's spider webs everywhere, flying everywhere.
Like, do I need to do a task when I'm seeing spiders?
You can't freak out when they land on you, or else it hurt their feelings.
What their feelings, okay. Like, are they going towards my mouth? Or like,
Yep.
are they just...
They're actually trying to go inside your nose.
Nose? Well, they're nosy.
The butterfly tickled her.
Look at the little birdies, Kate. That is pretty. Look at, whoa. I'm gonna stay very still. Hello. What do you have to say for yourself, butterfly? Oh, there's a tarantula in here somewhere. Oh, there it is. Ah. Caitlyn, come here. Caitlyn. Kate. Look at this thing. Did you see it?
Yeah.
You think that's beautiful?
Yeah. Gorgeous. Should be a model.
I don't see anything in here. Asian millipede. Oh, there it is.
Oh, you love the looks of that.
I don't like the looks, but I hate those things. Ew. How do you feel about having a camera on you? I wonder what's in there. Oh, you can see it. It's right there. Another spider. It's a terrifying spider. That's what it is.
Whale.
Right inside the top. You can see the scorpion's tail. You see it?
Yeah, that's nice.
That's nice. Oh, it's so pretty. Caitlyn and I had a great time here at the Butterfly Conservatory, but we are exhausted and we are going to head our way home. We thank you all for watching, and I hope you join us for our next adventure here at the Wanderers. So like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you later. Peace.